Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this icy blue eye makeup look, which is inspired by winters, but it really is perfect for the summer daytime makeup or even for an evening look. The details for all the products used here today for this makeup look would be described in the description box below, so do not forget to check that out. I will have the shade numbers specified there as well. And yes, before we begin, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I make videos every week on lifestyle, beauty and fashion. So yeah, let's get started. I'm starting off by using the MAC Fix Prime Plus to prime my face. I've already moisturized my face. I'm also using the Porefessional primer by Benefit on just the nose and around the nose area. Now I'm using the Born This Way foundation in the shade Nude. I'm gonna directly apply it to my face. And I'm using the 3D HD Max Kabuki brush by Sigma Beauty to blend it all over my face. I'm using the Kat Von D Shade and Light Creme Contour Palette, and I'm taking this shade and I'm applying it using the Sigma 4D HD Kabuki brush under my eyes. This will cover most of my dark circles as well and highlight the under eye area. I'm taking this shade and with a Morphe brush, I'm applying it on my face closer to the jawline, on the chin, on the bridge of my nose, and also on my forehead, just in the middle. I'm using a Kabuki brush by Sigma Beauty and just blending it all. Taking this shade, I'm gonna contour my face, and I'm using a Morphe brush again from the Copper's Dream set. I'm gonna apply this cream contour shade to my face, first under the cheekbones and on my nose, on my forehead and on the jawline. It does look rough at the moment, but I'm gonna blend this using this brush. After I've blended the contour shade, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer under my eyes to highlight that area. I'm also applying it on top of my nose, on my forehead, and close to my jawline, so that I get like an evener complexion all over. Taking the Mercier translucent powder, I'm using the Sigma brush to apply it under my eyes. This is the Sigma Edge Kabuki brush. I'm gonna leave this excess powder on my face, basically to bake the face all over. So I applied it on top of my nose, on the chin, on the forehead, and also on the area close to the jawline. Now I'm priming my eyelids with a MAC Painterly paint pot, and I'm gonna go into the MAsquerade Mini Palette by Juvia's Place. I'm taking the shade Cairo from the palette and applying it as a transition shade using the Morphe brush number E27. So this shade is going around the crease area and a little above it, and I need to blend it really well to make it as soft as possible. Making sure there are no harsh edges. Next, I'm using this blue shade named Dalia, and I'm using a Morphe brush from the Copper's Dream set. I'm applying this shade just over the crease and blending it till I make it look softer. Now I'm using the shade Chi, and applying it using the thin blending brush, which is the Morphe M507. I'm applying it towards the corner and taking it a little over and above the crease. Now to pack on some shade on my eyelids, I'm using the Morphe M421 brush, and I'm taking this bluish shade, which is named Zola, and applying it to my eyelids. Taking the shade Giza, I'm applying it towards the inner corner, just softening up that blue a little. Also towards the lower inner corner. Now I'm taking this greenish blue shade and applying it with a Pro Shader brush by Sephora to my lower lash line. I'll also smoke out this shade with a Sephora Pro Precision Smudge brush. Now I'm using the Sigma Loose Shimmer in the shade Airy. It's a blue, like a dirty blue shade. And first I'm gonna apply the glitter glue to my eyelids just in the middle. Now I was expecting this to be a little more shimmery than it looks right now, but I still think it works fine for this look. I'm blending out any harsh edges and corners. Using the Morphe M250 brush and the Sigma Wicked Gel Liner, I'm gonna line my eyes, the top lash line of my eyes. And first I'm doing the boundary, and then I'm gonna fill it in so that I can get like the perfect winged line. I'm using the Brow Wiz by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in the shade medium brown, and I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows. Using the Sigma Beauty Inner Rim Brightener in the shade Final Touch, I'm gonna line the waterline. Applying the Featherette Lashes by House of Lashes, and now I'm just applying mascara to blend my lashes with the falsies. Using a soft brush, I'm just gonna brush off this excess powder that I left there for baking my face. Also buffing some of that in. Now I'm applying the Tarte blush in the shade Party to my cheekbones, and I'm using the Real Techniques brush for that. I'm using the Too Faced Prismatic Highlighter and applying it to the top of my cheekbones. This is a Sigma Beauty fan brush I'm using. I'm also applying some of that highlighter to my forehead, to the chin. Applying it to my Cupid bow with a pencil brush, and also the bridge of my nose and the corner, like the inner corner of my eyes. I'm applying some to my brow bone as well. Lining my lips with the lip liner named Safe Word. This is by Smashbox Cosmetics. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Matte Lipsticks in the shade Dolce. And here it is, guys, the completed makeup look. It's cool toned, but it's perfect for any time of the year, really. So I hope you liked it, and if you did, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that like button. Or I would also suggest that you hit that bell button next to the subscribe button so you get notifications for my new uploads. The details to all the makeup products used today are going to be listed in the description box below. I will also list down my social media links in the description box in case you want to follow me elsewhere, like on Twitter and Instagram. So don't forget to check that out. And if you have any questions, any suggestions, leave a comment below. That's the best way to reach me, and I do respond to all my comments. So until next time, stay fashionable, stay happy. Bye.